Real estate agents, are you ready to maximize your follow-up game? Get ready for the third activity that will take your business to new heights. So let's dive in. But first, do me some favors, show some love by hitting that like button and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to grab a copy of my new ebook, Unlocking the Potential of ChatGPT. So daily activity number 3, follow up. We all know that the fortune is in the follow-up. And here at Create More Business Now, we've got you covered. ChatGPT can handle all of your follow-up needs, ensuring no leads fall through the cracks. It can engage with incoming leads, provide personalized responses, and save you valuable time. Ready to supercharge your follow-up game? Reach out to us or click the link below to discover how ChatGPT can enhance your business and turn those leads into lifelong clients. Let's take your follow-up game to the next level. Thanks for tuning in.